Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you are encountering a 401 unauthorized error in Microsoft Teams, this indicates that the Microsoft server is rejecting your local authentication tokens because they are either expired or corrupted. I will show you exactly how to clear out these broken credentials and restore your connection right now. Let's get started. First, we need to completely log out and kill the application to stop it from continuously trying to use your broken security tokens. Open Microsoft Teams. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Sign Out. Once the window closes, right-click on an empty space on your Windows taskbar, open your Task Manager, and navigate to the Processes tab. Scroll down to find any lingering background entries named Microsoft Teams or Teams, right-click them, and select End Task to ensure the software is fully shut down. Next, you must flush out the corrupted local authentication data that is causing the server to reject your login attempts. Press your Windows key, search for Credential Manager, and open the Control Panel application. Click on the Windows Credentials tab and carefully scroll through your saved data. Click the down arrow to expand any entry containing Microsoft, Office, or Teams and select Remove for each one. This is a highly effective method for fixing 401 unauthorized errors, but keep in mind you will need to re-enter your passwords for your other Microsoft 365 applications the next time you open them. Finally, we need to wipe the temporary web cache to ensure Teams downloads fresh session data instead of relying on the old errors. Press your Windows key, type Installed Apps, and press Enter to open your system settings. Locate Microsoft Teams in the list, click the three dots next to it, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Repair, followed by the Reset button to safely flush the localized files. Once this process finishes, relaunch the application from your Start menu and log in normally to generate a brand new, authorized connection token. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.